I want to show you how to take an assembly and make it into an exploded drawing. So the first thing we need to do is make sure we're in the right project. So right now I am in one of my playground folders, and I want to make sure I'm in the place in the project that I need to make an exploded view from. So the one we've spent the most time with lately is Puzzle Cube. So I choose Puzzle Cube project. I click on New in the top left. And what we want to do is, if you look at the templates that you have a choice of, at the very bottom it says Presentation. Create an exploded projection of an assembly. So we're going to start with a standard IPN. That will bring you to this screen, and the toolbar is pretty simple. The only ones we're interested in today are going to be creating a view, auto explode, and we'll also take a look at animate, and you can kind of play with that. That's kind of interesting. So what I want to do is start with create a view, and it's going to open up this select assembly. If I click on the little folder with the magnifying glass on it, it will open this up. And in this case, the assembly I want to open is called Cube 1. So you'll want to open up your cube assembly that you did for the Puzzle Cube project. Mine's not facing home, so I'm going to click on home, and now I have my puzzle cube in front of me. I want to scroll out a little bit so I can see what's going on. Alright, the next thing we need to do is use the tweak components tool. So I'll show you first of all from the toolbar, and then we'll switch to the mouse because it's much more convenient. So I click on tweak component. To make this look right, I want to separate my pieces, and just let me zoom in on that. As I select a piece, you can see right here it shows a little XYZ axis as I point at a face. So if I click on that piece and grab one of these arrows, so if I want to pull it out or to the side or pull it up or down, left or right, depending on which axis, I just click on that arrow and pull it. Hold down the left click and drag it out. So now I have that piece separated. It's real important when you're done, go down here, the little menu that pops up on the bottom left, there's a check mark. Click OK. Alright, so I'm going to continue pulling this assembly apart. Right click on the next piece, and look at this. If you push straight up, it says tweak components. So you don't even have to go to the toolbar, because you know it's so far to go. So hard to go across the screen up to the top bar. So you click on the piece that you want to move, and grab the axis that you want it to move in. So in this case, I want to pull it out this way. And then click the little check box at the bottom. And I do the same thing. Right click, tweak component, pick on an edge, and pull it the direction that I want it to go. And I'm going to do this one more time. Oh yeah, you've got to click on apply, I guess that's the way to do it. So, all right, so right click on that. Wait, something's wrong. When in doubt, press escape a couple of times. Okay, right click, tweak components, and then we're gonna pick on a part of that piece and drag it out. Now, after I've separated it all, that's the assembly I want to show me the exploded view. Be sure you save, and we're going to call this exploded view. Since I'm doing multiples, I'm putting a number in front of them. You can just put exploded view, put uppercase. How about exploded view? Okay, I should learn to type, I really should. Alright, so we're going to save that. Click on this animate button after you're done, and if you click on the left pointing play in reverse, it will actually go do exactly what you did. I'm not going to spend much more time on the animation, I just wanted to show you that because I think it's kind of cool. So once you're done, save your work and close the file.